What is a universal motor? Welcome to this presentation on the universal motor. In this session, we'll explore what a universal motor is, how it works, its construction, characteristics, and where it is commonly used. Introduction. A universal motor is a special type of electric motor that can run on either alternating current or direct current. This versatility makes it very useful in many portable devices. One of its main features is its ability to run at very high speeds, making it ideal for appliances that need compact and powerful motors. Construction. The universal motor is built quite similar to a DC series motor. It consists of a stator with field windings, a rotor or armature winding, a commutator, and brushes. The core is laminated to reduce eddy current losses when used with AC supply. These parts together allow the motor to produce strong torque and operate on both current types. Working principle. The universal motor works on the same principle as a DC series motor. When current flows through both the field and armature windings, torque is produced. During AC operation, the direction of current reverses in both windings simultaneously, keeping the torque direction the same. This is why the motor can run efficiently on both AC and DC. Characteristics. This motor offers high starting torque, which means it can quickly accelerate from rest. It can achieve very high speeds, often exceeding 20,000 rpm. However, its speed decreases as the load increases. Being compact and lightweight, it's a great choice for small appliances. Applications. Universal motors are widely used in appliances where high speed and variable operation are needed. Examples include portable power tools, mixers, blenders, vacuum cleaners, sewing machines, and hair dryers. You'll find them in most household and handheld electrical devices. Advantages and disadvantages. Some key advantages are that it can run on both AC and DC, has high speed, and delivers excellent starting torque. However, there are also some drawbacks. It tends to be noisy, requires regular maintenance due to brush wear, and isn't very efficient on AC power. Summary. In summary, the universal motor is a versatile and powerful option for many portable and household appliances. Its ability to run on both AC and DC, combined with its compact design and high-speed performance, makes it an essential component in modern electrical devices.